In this video, I will show you how to delete a Gusto employee profile. First, open your web browser, go to app.gusto.com and log into your account. On the left-hand side of the screen, click on People. Here you will see a list of your active employees. Now head over to the onboarding section. This is where you will see all employees who are currently in the onboarding process. If you'd like to review an employee before deleting, you can check their work history from here. Once you're ready to remove their profile, just go back to the onboarding list, look for the employee's name, and click on the three-dot menu on the right-hand side. From the options, select Remove, and that will delete the employee's profile from your Gusto account. And that's how to delete a Gusto employee profile.